In this video, you are going to see how to insert the header and footer line in Microsoft Word document, as you can see here. Let's get started. To add the header and footer line, click on the header and footer section by double click over here, or you can go to insert, go to header and you can click on edit header. Now click on over here, go to home. Under the paragraph option, you will find the options border. Go to borders and shading. Now select the border style of your choice. Let us select this one. Change the color to red color. Change the white to 3 point. But the border will be applied in the whole page. Let us remove left border and right border and the bottom border and hit OK. And here you will see the header line has been applied. If you insert the different type of footer line, click on over here. You can go to design tab also. Go to page border, select the borders, choose the border of your choice, choose the color, increase or decrease the white, remove top, left and right and hit OK. And here you will see the magic. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.